Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools and tech for your car. Today, we're taking a close look at the Cgsulit SC301 OBD2 scanner and BD715 battery tester combo, which I can confidently say is the best Cgsulit scan tool on the market. If you're someone who loves to take care of your vehicle on your own or wants to save time and money by diagnosing car issues at home, this bundle is for you. First off, the SC301 OBD2 scanner is a powerful diagnostic tool designed for vehicles manufactured after 1996. It allows you to check and clear trouble codes, which is super helpful when your check engine light comes on. The scanner also provides live data streams, allowing you to monitor your car's engine performance in real time. One of the coolest features is the IM readiness test, which can help you pass emissions tests with ease, preventing those annoying fines for failing the smog check. But that's not all. This tool also has a 10,000 plus DTC lookup library, which means no more Googling codes to figure out what's wrong with your car. With its built-in button, it even offers accurate advice on how to fix specific issues based on the trouble codes. This means it's not just about reading codes. It's also about understanding them and resolving the issue quickly. Along with the SC301, you also get the BD715 battery tester, which is another essential tool for anyone who wants to keep their car running smoothly. It's a 12 volts and 24 volts battery tester designed to check the health of your battery. In just a few seconds, it will provide you with detailed data such as CCA value, internal resistance, and the state of charge. It even helps you assess whether your battery is ready to perform during startup, making it a perfect companion for those who want to ensure their car's electrical system is in top shape. The battery tester also runs charging system tests, ensuring your alternator is working properly, which means fewer headaches on the road. You can rely on the BD715 to provide accurate and quick results every time. Plus, both tools are easy to use, with no need for additional software or batteries. To sum up, whether you're troubleshooting an engine issue or testing your battery's health, this Cgsulit scanner and battery tester combo provides everything you need to keep your car in peak condition. This is definitely a must-have for DIY car enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews on the best car tools.